Did you know that in Japan, people in their 70s and even 80s can often balance on one leg for more than 30 seconds, without wobbling, without fear, and without support? That simple ability may be the biggest reason why they live longer, stay independent, and rarely fall. For many seniors, one small loss of balance can change everything. A single fall can take months to recover from. But in Japan, elders have found a quiet, powerful way to train their bodies to stay steady without ever stepping into a gym. And today, I'll show you exactly how they do it. Welcome to Prime Wellness, where we help you stay strong, active, and full of life at any age. If you're over 50, you've probably noticed that balance doesn't come as easily as it used to. Maybe standing up from a chair feels slower, or you feel a little unsteady on uneven ground. That's perfectly normal, but it doesn't have to stay that way. You see, balance isn't just a physical skill. It's a signal from your body that your muscles, brain, and inner ear are working together. And the great news is you can retrain that system at any age. The Japanese have mastered this through simple, daily movements that reawaken the body's natural stability. So what's their secret? Let's uncover it and learn a few easy exercises you can start today to move with confidence again. Most people think balance just goes away with age, but science says that's not entirely true. Researchers from the University of Tokyo discovered that balance declines mainly because the small stabilizing muscles around your hips, ankles, and core become weaker when not used regularly. In Japan, daily life keeps those muscles active. People walk more, sit on the floor, and use their bodies in gentle ways that maintain coordination. Every small motion, like bowing, squatting, or turning, becomes a mini workout for balance. But there's one specific movement Japanese elders rely on, a movement so simple yet so effective that doctors now recommend it for fall prevention programs around the world. It's called the crane balance. Imagine a crane, standing tall, calm, and still on one leg. That image inspired this traditional Japanese balance practice. Here's how you can do it safely at home. Stand near a wall or sturdy chair for support. Shift your weight onto your left leg, keeping your chest open and your back straight. Now, slowly lift your right foot just an inch or two off the ground. Keep your gaze forward and your breathing steady. Hold this position for 10 to 15 seconds, then gently switch sides. That's it. But don't underestimate it. Studies show that just 1 minute a day of single-leg balance can significantly improve coordination, reduce fall risk, and even boost brain function. Japanese elders often practice this while brushing their teeth or waiting for tea to steep, small moments that add up over time. A study from Kyoto University found that seniors who could stand on one leg for more than 20 seconds were far less likely to suffer fractures or bone injuries. That's how powerful this tiny movement can be. And here's something beautiful about it. Balance training doesn't just strengthen your legs, it strengthens your mind. Every small correction your body makes sends signals to your brain, sharpening its response time and improving focus. In Japanese wellness culture, there's a saying, "The strength of the body begins at the soles of the feet." Most of us spend decades in shoes that weaken our foot muscles. But in Japan, many elders walk barefoot inside their homes or wear flexible slippers that allow the feet to move naturally. This keeps their arches, toes, and ankles active, which are the foundation of balance. To restore that connection, try this simple foot awakening exercise. Sit comfortably on a chair. Place your bare feet flat on the floor. Now, lift your toes while keeping your heels down. Then press your toes firmly into the ground, as if gripping the floor. Repeat this slowly 10 times. You'll start to feel the small muscles under your feet come alive. These muscles send signals to your brain about where you are in space, a process called proprioception. The stronger those signals, the steadier you'll stand. Japanese doctors believe this is one reason their seniors can walk on uneven ground or climb stairs with confidence. Their feet are trained, awake, and alive. You might be surprised to know that posture and balance are deeply connected. When your posture is upright, your weight stays centered, and your brain doesn't have to work as hard to keep you steady. Japanese elders practice what's known as the hara stance, a relaxed but grounded position that strengthens the body's center. Here's how you can do it. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart. Imagine a gentle string pulling you upward from the crown of your head. Now relax your shoulders and place your hands lightly over your lower abdomen. This is your hara, your center of balance. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. As you breathe, feel your core gently activate. This stance isn't about stiffness, it's about awareness. When practiced daily, it teaches your body to find balance naturally, without tension. You can even use it while doing chores or standing in line. In Okinawa, where some of the world's oldest people live, this kind of mindful posture is part of everyday movement, not a separate exercise. Here's something most people don't realize. Your breathing directly affects your balance. When you're anxious or shallow breathing, your body stiffens, making balance harder. But deep, rhythmic breathing relaxes your muscles and improves coordination between your brain and body. That's why Japanese elders often begin and end their movement routines with the breathing bow. Here's how to try it. Stand or sit comfortably. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 counts while raising your arms forward. Then exhale through your mouth for 6 counts as you gently bow your head and upper body forward. Repeat this 5 times. This gentle movement restores calm and focus. It also improves oxygen flow to the brain, which is essential for balance and clear thinking. Modern neuroscience confirms what Japanese tradition has practiced for centuries. Mindful breathing builds better body control and emotional stability. So every time you feel unsteady or stressed, pause and take a long, slow breath. It's one of the simplest ways to bring your body back into balance. You've now learned the key elements that keep Japanese seniors steady and strong. The crane balance for coordination, the foot awakening for stability, the hara stance for posture, and the breathing bow for calm and focus. Together, these form a natural rhythm, strength, awareness, and harmony. You don't need a gym or equipment. You don't even need long workouts. Just 5 to 10 minutes of mindful movement each day can make a remarkable difference. Within 2 weeks, you'll notice better stability when you walk or stand. Within a month, you'll feel more grounded and confident. And remember, the real goal isn't perfection. It's progress. Every breath, every step, every small effort sends your body a message. I'm still strong. I'm still capable. That's how the elders of Japan stay healthy well into their 90s. Not through intense exercise, but through daily harmony. In Japan, falling isn't just seen as an accident. It's seen as a sign of imbalance between body and awareness. By training gently, with consistency and respect for your body, you rebuild that balance. Start today. Do the crane balance while brushing your teeth. Practice the foot awakening while watching TV. Try the breathing bow before bed. Each tiny step builds your foundation for freedom, the ability to move, live, and age gracefully. Remember, aging is not about decline. It's about discovering new strength in the body you have now. You're never too old to begin, and you're never too late to feel steady again. If this video helped you, please take a moment to like it. It really helps more seniors discover natural, science-backed wellness tips like this. Tell us in the comments, which of these Japanese balance exercises will you try first? And don't forget to subscribe to Prime Wellness for more easy, doctor-approved movements that help you stay strong, steady, and independent. If you're ready to go deeper, watch our next video. Over 50, 6 movements. Japanese elders do every day. No gym, just results daily. You'll love how simple and effective it is.